Let's bring in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar to talk about this. Michael, obviously, John Hopkins says they are going to appeal, something you have to kind of assess if you're going to appeal a case like this. There's interest. I looked up what the interest is in Florida on judgments. It's around 7%. So they have to take that into calculation, but obviously they probably should appeal.
Yeah, I've been the Darth Vader analyzing this case for a long time now and telling people that, you know, I don't believe that the jury should render a verdict anywhere close to $200 million. What I've seen in my career is almost every one of these large landmark settlement verdicts against a municipality, a large corporation, or a nonprofit almost always get reversed the amount on appeal, right? People don't understand these hospitals are not profit businesses. They're like nonprofit entities. And so I don't see how this is going to survive appeal in terms of the amount. I really, truly am confident in saying, well, we'll see this in about a year or 2 years, that this will be brought back into the single-digit millions of dollars. You know, because they cause emotional distress. But an appellate court is going to come back and say there was no affirmative act by them to murder the mother, and the emotional distress is tied to the loss of consortium with your mother. So this is going to come back on appeal. First of all, this hospital doesn't have $250 million. These are nonprofit organizations. Hospitals are not profit businesses. And so people don't understand. There isn't $250 million. There isn't even $50 million in that hospital's coffers to write a check and pay this off. So the hospital will either shut down, it's a nonprofit organization with government funding, or it'll come back on appeal. That's my analysis of it.